Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are interested in learning how to make these cute little bunny cupcakes, stay tuned. You're going to need half a cup and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 9 ounces of milk chocolate, 2 2/3 cups of superfine sugar, 2 sticks and 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 5 extra large eggs at room temperature. You'll also need half a cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of water, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll need one of my favorite candies, Raffaelo Chocolate, bunny feet icing decoration, Oreo, shredded coconut, and cupcake wrapper. Ignore the Hershey's eggs in the middle. They weren't supposed to be there. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Take the butter, instant coffee, and water. Combine them in a saucepan. Place over medium heat until they come to a slow boil. Add the chocolate and stir until completely melted. Set aside to cool to room temperature. Take the flour, sugar, cocoa, baking powder, and baking soda. Combine them in a mixing bowl. Then create a well in the center. Pour in the 5 eggs, buttermilk, oil, and the chocolate mixture. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until there's no lumps. This recipe makes 28 cupcakes. Line up your cupcake tin with cupcake liners. Then fill each liner with batter 2/3 full. Bake for 24 to 27 minutes. Check first at 23 minutes. When checking the cupcakes, use a toothpick and insert it in the middle of the cupcake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. Now once they're done, place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Take your Oreo cookies and scrape off the cream filling and place the cookies inside a food processor to crush them up until they look like dirt. If you don't have a food processor, you can place the cookies inside a Ziploc bag and crush them up with a rolling pin or a cup. And now for the fun part. Time to decorate the cupcakes. Take the chocolate buttercream and pipe some on top of the cupcake. And spread the buttercream around with a knife. If you guys are interested in how I made my buttercream, please leave a comment below. And now I'll take the cupcake and press it down into the crushed Oreo. Take your white buttercream and pipe a small amount on top of the cupcake. This will be the glue to hold the Raffaello candy in place. Also, pipe a small amount of the white buttercream on the bottom of the bunny feet and place them on the side of the candy. I left a little bit of the white buttercream in the refrigerator to let it get firm. Then I took a small amount to roll into a ball and place it in the shredded coconut. This will be the tail. Pipe a little bit of the smoother buttercream to hold the tail in place. Oh, look how cute and simple this was. Okay guys, we're done. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have a question, any comments, please leave a message below. Bye.